I was changing IP addresses in our training center and I ran into an issue with a safety module and I've had into it before. And I just want to go ahead and talk about it while I have it up here. So this is our safety PLC and I have an IO not responding light, but my IP address, it looks good. And my module itself, my Ethernet module looks good, but inside of here, my safety inputs and my safety outputs, both of those have little yellow triangles. So if we open it up, again, it's the same as a regular one. If we have a yellow triangle, we want to open it and go to the connection tab. And it says connection request error, module owned and configured by another controller. Module may only accept one connection if unicast. And if we go to our safety, what we want to do is reset ownership. So I'm going to click the reset ownership and yes to the warning. And then if we go back to our connection tab, it says invalid connection point now. And so I'm going to go over here and do the same. Oops, there it goes. I thought I had to cycle power, but apparently you don't even have to cycle power. So that one is good now. And so now we'll open up our safety output and we will go to the connection and same deal, connection request error, module owned by another one. And so I'm going to go over to the safety tab and reset ownership on this as well. And we should see this IO like I saw in a second. I'll probably hear a thud out of the safety contactor, I hope. There it goes. I just heard the contactor kick in and our IO is okay. So if it is a safety application, obviously you do need to have someone such as a TUV Rhinewood certified safety engineer review it. But in this case, it was the same thing. We were just moving to another IP, but I've ran into that before. So there's a quick tip for you. Speaking of safety, we've been working on this safety series here. So click here to learn a little bit more about safety PLCs.